guys, today I would like to give you how we must make a cake. I will make cake with my grandmother recipe, but it's a classic cake, but it's very delicious. My family and me, and also me, like eat this. And we have some ingredients. This is 3 eggs, flour, a glass of sugar, cacao, cream, and other plants, mixer, and other. And we have oil and other ingredients. And let's start to cook. We put 1 egg and break it. Okay. The first. The second. And the third. Okay. And just a minute. Let's start to mix all of this. This must look like a white color. Look. And now I must put this. Okay. And now I must mix them 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. Then I must put oil. And mix them again. That's all. Then I must put flour with this. and mix. After mix by hand, we must put just a minute baking powder and vanilla with sugar. Okay. That's all. And now vanilla with sugar. I think that's all. And again make them by hand. Now we must brush this this plate with oil. Take cacao in this, all of cacao. I think that's, and mix them. And now I must put this in this plate. With this, we must do this. And with this. And now we take this in oven. Now I open the oven and take in this. Now I must wait 35 minutes. And 180 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now we must open the oven door and put them and check if ready is or not. Close the door. Now check. Put it. Check. It's ready. Thanks for watching and thanks for watching. Bye bye.